In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to set up Shadcn UI using TypeScript, React, and Vite. This is an update to a previous video that I made since the documentation has been uploaded since then. I will be following this official documentation for the rest of this tutorial. To get started, copy this first command. Switching over to my code editor, which is VS Code in this case, I will open the terminal and just paste in this command. It's going to ask for a project name. I would type in a period so that all the project files are created in the current directory. I will select React for the framework, then TypeScript, run npm install. Once that is done, going back to documentation, we can copy this command here, go back to the terminal and just paste in the command and hit enter. Once that is complete, we can go back to the documentation and copy these 3 lines of code, open the index.css file and just paste in the 3 lines that we just copied. The next step in the docs is to open this file, tailwind.config.js, and we need to update our file to look exactly like this. So I will copy all the code, open the file, and just paste in what we copied. The next step is to update our tsconfig.json file by copying the code here, open the file, and just paste in what we copied and make sure to save the file. We would do the same thing for the tsconfig.app.json file. Copy the highlighted code here, open the tsconfig.app.json file, and at the very top, just paste in what we copied, but make sure to add a comma and hit save. Going back to the docs, copy this command and run it inside our terminal. Then copy this block of code here and open our vite.config.ts file and just paste in what we copied. Go back to the docs, copy this command here, and then paste it into our terminal. Choose which style you want. I'll choose New York in this case. Choose the color. Then you can decide if you want to use CSS variables or not. I'll just choose no for right now. We can now test if everything was set up correctly by going back to the docs and just copying this command to install the button component. Paste it in our terminal. Copy the import command here, and we can open our app.tsx file and just paste it up here. Then we can copy the button component here, erase everything that's already here, and just paste it just like this. To run a React app, we can type in npm run dev. If we open this address, we should now see the button that says click me, just like this. If you see this button, that means you set up Shadcn UI correctly. And that is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.